Yo, what it is, YouTube, what it is? Dang, it's your boy, Jus Droo, coming at y'all boys another banger, man. And today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm just really going to be off the top with it, you feel me? This video is going to be called, This Is Your Sign to Get Rich, you feel me? So, with that being said, make sure y'all hit that like button, that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah. Alright, so basically, this is me on your ass, like, a lot of people, they be needing somebody on their ass. You probably one of them motherfuckers. You might not be one of them motherfuckers, but either way it go, I could be a great advisor. If not your big brother, I could be your goddamn little brother, goddamn nephew, goddamn cousin. Whatever you feel like I am, that's me. You feel me? I'm gonna play that role because I'm gonna put you on game. Like these other niggas, they ain't gonna really put you on game how I'm gonna put you on game, but let's get right into it. Okay, so first thing first, if you want to be rich, my nigga, just make the choice to want to be rich. Just make the choice, and then after you make the choice, follow up with the actions. You know what I'm saying? Follow up with the execution. Now we want to see what is the steps that it's gonna take you to get rich. I know y'all been seeing this dude. I'm gonna pull up a little clip of him. I know y'all been seeing him everywhere on the internet going crazy, but it's because he's showing the process of what he do to maintain himself financially, physically, mentally. You know what I'm saying? So you don't have to be one of those people that document your journey, but you could be one of those people that just well organized in all categories. You got your notebook, you got your calendar set up right, you got your everything to the T. Now that you organize, now that you know exactly how you want to rotate, now that you know how you want to do things, start executing. A lot of times we'll talk about so much, like we'll talk about it so much, how we finna start doing this and doing that. You're releasing dopamine every time you tell your plans. Every time you finna go tell somebody, I'm finna start this YouTube shit. I'm finna start this membership. I'm finna start selling courses online. I'm finna make an ebook. Anytime you telling your business, you putting it out there into the world, yes. But at the same time, if you telling it to the wrong mind, they could shatter your idea before it's nurtured. You feel what I'm saying? To a full plant until it's able to withstand the elements of the world. You know what I'm saying? And when I say the elements, think about everything that a plant has to go through. A plant has to get water. A plant needs sunlight. A plant needs soil to grow. A plant needs these things in order to flourish. The elements could be the goddamn wind, animals, all type of bacteria, diseases, and things that's harmful to the plant. The plant can't grow if all of these things is shattering the plant and damaging it on its upbringing. You know what I'm saying? But it can grow if it's being nurtured. If you constantly watering it, protecting it, got the sun bouncing off of it, got the best soil, you know what I'm saying? Now the plant could grow. Now the plant got some push, you know what I'm saying? So let's get some momentum going. The elements are, and since we're using the plant analogy, the elements are criticism. People saying things about your ideas that's pretty much the not the regular rain, but like, you know, the harmful rain when it's coming to goddamn fuck the whole scenery up. This shit finna look crazy. All of their criticism, ideas, everything they gonna say, you have to be able to withstand it. You have to be able to withstand the fact that everybody not gonna agree with you and everybody not gonna be happy to see you succeed in that lane. You know what I'm saying? All of the doubt coming from yourself, the doubt coming from the haters. You know what I'm saying? And just until the idea is in rotation, you know what I'm saying? Just until the idea is solidified, so that way all you gotta do is continue to nurture it. Now the idea is in full effect. Can't nobody stop you. You know what I'm saying? Now we got the ball rolling, and this is the momentum that I was just talking about. Let's keep this momentum going. And how can we capitalize off this momentum? Well, it's a lot of different ways we can. Anytime you have momentum with your idea, there's so many ways to monetize it, and there's so many ways to capitalize off of it. But we have to take the steps that we need to take in order to even be able to do this. You know what I'm saying? Now that I'm doing YouTube and I got the ball rolling on YouTube, how can I monetize my YouTube channel even more? Okay, I could post on all social media platforms. I could sell a product. Okay, I could sell a service. Now I'm selling these things and people is tuning in, but they tuning in to my YouTube because of me. They tune in. Y'all fuck with me, right? Y'all, you fuck with me, right? No, but they tune in because of my personality. That's an income in itself alone. Just off the YouTube brand alone, just off of me being Jus Droo alone, I can make revenue. But now imagine if I'm selling something. You know what I'm saying? I pass the ball to bro. I do a shout out to his channel, and guess what? Now he could feed his people. Now he could also monetize his channel and make profit. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm not the only one eating. I'm passing the ball. Okay, cool. Now me and a crew eating off YouTube, off of being ourselves. This is why it's important to be authentic.
There's certain shit that they can't do, like go the paper route. I been was making but real place, I never been a child.